Mayuresh Joshi joins us to talk about a lot of stocks. Mayuresh, well, there are a lot of themes that are playing out today. The PSU banking names have done pretty well. You have the pharma names as well. Give us that one stock from either of these two sectors that you believe still has potential from here on.
Afternoon, Nigel. So we continue holding on to Bank of Maharashtra and Canara Bank in our portfolios as far as PSU banks are concerned. But what remains on our watch list would be one of the bigger names. So either State Bank or Bank of Baroda. So Bank of Baroda would probably be there on a larger scale when it comes to the watch list for all the parameters that we probably discussed. Might be a slight compression in NIMs, but the expectations in terms of the advance and the deposit book holding up quite well. The expectations in terms of asset quality pressures, which have come down significantly, should show signs of significant improvement as we move into the next few quarters. And not too richly valued. Yes, it has moved up over the last few weeks and months, but not in overheated territory as we speak. Within the pharma names, in our global focus list, Nigel, we do maintain a positive stance on both Cipla and Dr. Reddy's. A lot of news hovering around Cipla at this juncture, but with numbers that they've probably posted, expectations of maintaining that margins of 23-24%, US formulation sales expected to hold up with two key launches expected in the next few quarters, and a large element in terms of the front loading of expenses when it comes to R&D for making the specialty pipeline is largely done with, which means it would be a normalized R&D expense into specialty TFs and Dr. Reddy's because of their specialty molecules that you're doing from a backward integration.
Okay, all right. Mayuresh, on Minda in particular?
So looks very interesting, Nigel. 2-3 aspects. One, EBITDA margins at 10.7% for the quarter gone by, expected to be maintained at those levels itself. The mix that they've got, switches, lighting, castings, acoustics, and obviously I think what you're talking about in terms of the charging equipment, the new products that will probably come through, specifically in terms of 2- and 4-wheeler wireless chargers. I think that can be a huge value addition as we move ahead. And a large element in terms of the capex that they're probably expected to do, 6 factories order that they probably run, and top line, bottom line growth expected to be extremely steady as we move ahead, makes it a very compelling candidate.